Hello everyone. Welcome to another learning session of Foundation of Programming at Codemode, where you learn by practice. Currently you are learning about inside computers, and in today's class we will learn about software. In the previous class we finished learning about different type of hardwares, in which we learned that the battery, the power supply, the cooling fan, all those are computer hardware. An example of computer hardware apart from memory, processor, input and output. Before I start today's class and start learning about software, I would request you to like this video and follow our channel by subscribing, especially if you are watching it on YouTube. Let's begin. Software or programs developed by programmers like you and me control the hardware to perform certain tasks. We ask computer, or we make the computer's hardware work. They perform certain calculations, show results on the screen. All those are done or controlled, those hardwares are controlled by software. Now, software at a high level are also of two types. One I refer as system software and another as application software. System softwares are usually the operating system like Windows 10. You know that usually when you go and buy a laptop or a computer, those softwares are already installed. There are some softwares, what we refer as drivers, some utility softwares are already installed on your computer. They're responsible for managing different components or different hardware on the computer. For example, some drivers, basically when we use the word in computer language, when we say driver, it is a system software that is responsible for managing your USB or managing your sound card or graphics card and all that. On the other side, in the next class we'll also learn about application software. Application softwares are those that a software programmer like you and me have created it. Your web browser is one example. Some of the databases, the spreadsheets, all these are examples of application software. Now, most important thing to remember here is that without software, hardware is of no use, and without hardware you cannot do anything with the software. That's all in this class. If you have any question on any part of this concept, you can post it in the community on our platform, and either I or someone else would be happy to answer. Please take time to solve the quiz. It will not only make you practice, but also test your knowledge and understanding of this concept. I'll see you guys all in the next class. Happy learning.